Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see your followers on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, go to the right top corner to your profile. And right here, I get to see it here. So followed by 50 people. Let's click on it. And right here, I get everyone who's following me. Right? That's simple, right? So you are on your profile on your mobile, and under where you live is gonna say followed by. And you get to see everything, right? And this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.